putting more balls with
Give another 10 points minus. Vishwa, give another 10 points minus for injecting negativity onto the team. 20 for the language and 10 for negativity. I'm really sorry, I had to take him out for all this because I want you to play safe, but the fellow himself asked that he wants to play and he is not changing.
So, to wishing, we will be giving.
He was not willing to keep you. The leader is not willing to keep you. Initially he said he will support you. Okay? You've got two choices. Choice number one, you give a very strong promise to me that you will behave correctly and stay there. But the 30 minus will still be there. Choice number two, you come out. I'm not going to engage you. You are involved into written work. And the 30 marks minus will be taken. Now it's in the path. You are not interested, basically. I want to tell you one thing all of them. அதுமே தப்பு தானே என்ன அதிக ஸ்கோர் அவன் உயிரை கொடுத்து கரெக்டாக எல்லாம் பண்ணி கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணி வீட்டை விட்டுட்டு வேற எல்லாத்தையும் யோசிக்கிறது விட்டுட்டு வராத இங்கிலீஷை வச்சுக்கிட்டு அவன் பேசிக்கிட்டு எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். இவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருக்கிற பசங்க அத்தனை பேர் வந்துட்டு அழகாக இங்கே வேலை செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க. நீ போட்டி இன்னொன்று போகிறேன். சாய்ஸ் சொல்லு. சாய்ஸ் 1 ப்ராமிஸ். சாய்ஸ் 2 மித்ராவுடைய ஸ்டோரி புக் எடுத்து நீங்கள் ரிட்டர்ன் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். என்ன ப்ராமிஸ்? If you are going to promise, tell me the promise.
Sir, I will not speak negative things and I will cooperate with my team.
Cooperate பண்ணா பத்தாது. Contribute பண்ணு. But the 30 marks remain minus. புரியுதா? அவனுக்கு படிக்கிறதோ இல்லையா அவனுக்கு மைனஸ் பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு படிக்கணும். அவனுக்கு அவ்வளோ அழகாக ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நீ படிக்கும்போது ஹரிரன் சார் 6 பேர் அங்கே இருக்காங்க. 6 பேர் இங்கே இருக்கோம். இனிமே இப்போ இனிமே give him one last chance. He himself is asking. Yeah, come on. How many throws remaining for you? No, for the team. Janish நாலு முடிச்சான். நீ 3 முடிச்சிட்ட. 3ல 2 போட்டியா? இன்னும் 3. Come on. Anda. You முடிச்சிட்டீங்க. மேடம் வா உள்ள ப்ளீஸ். Come on. English. How many throws remaining? So after this throw, a small explanation by So one throw after that with a small presentation by Samita and Janish.
At that time I'm not
Team Harihan, after this one throw, we will have a conversation with Janish and Samita and then we will release them.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Madam Chair, please. Well done. So, what you planned has been executed. Give 20 points for Mithra as a bonus. Now, so Janish, you tell me. Right.
Sanjay.
So Janish, Samita, what is the total of your?
Some other person in my area.
So you got 25 throws executed. Hari, 25 throws executed, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Put the ball back. Okay, we throw. Yes, 25 throws.
25 shots we have.
Yes.
Yes,
I
sir.
thought I get it.
For that one, yes, sir.
So 25 shots.
25 and 25. So there has to be a tiebreaker tomorrow. So you got to explain what are the goals. What was your plan? Janish, you tell me. What was the goal setting beforehand? Because Mitra said she did not write anything. So you can explain that.
Sir, till the end of teenager, my goal will be similar, sir. After that, till the college ends, for sir, study well and getting a better job for get better job, sir. Then after that, working time, sir. I want to get promotions and I want to work well, sir. Like that is my goal, sir.
Which field you wanted to go? IT field. So understandably, after your plus 2 graduation, you get into the engineering. Right. Yeah.
Next, in the middle
Village,
ages,
yeah.
I want to create my own company business.
Becoming an entrepreneur,
Yes,
like
sir.
your dad. Okay.
So, in last
Senior.
senior citizen, I should live my life peacefully.
Good job. Very good. Vinita, apart from this task, we will discuss and we will progress on the task tomorrow. Apart from this task as a 11th grader, what do you think is the reason for the trainer to design the activity in such a way? Like preparing the goal, now you are in the 11th grade. So why should I ask you to do a forecast of young stage, middle age and all that? What is the reason behind it?
Sir, it's like in our goals also it will be up and down, sir. So it's if we lost in this also, we should not leave our goals. That's one thing, sir. We should keep on give a hard work and we should not left that goals from it, sir. So that's the reason which I saw it, sir.
What was your goal in this particular activity?
Sir, in teenage, I thought that make my parents proud, sir. First, I need to take good marks and I need to be a good human being, sir. That then after teenage, it's about college, sir. It's I need to get good placement in IT. So and I thought that I need to write TNPSC exam, sir. So then I'm good. If it is not means IT, sir, I will hard work for TNPSC exam, sir.
Fantastic.
Then after job in middle age, I will have some savings for me. Then I will help for the peoples who can't to study or something, sir. Then at
In the future of the, beyond middle age.
in middle age, I will what's a save for me. Then at last
Seriously.
senior citizens, I will live a happy life and whatever help I can do for people, I will.
Fantastic. Okay. And the first half you were not able to do well, and the team was well ahead of you. In the second half, you made it, and you equilibriumly, brought up. What was your team's goal for this?
Sir,
How were you able to manage? How were you managing to do this?
sir, we thought we should do it.
We believe in our team members, sir.
Fine. So tomorrow we will have the rest of the discussion. Tomorrow we will be having the second round. Okay, right? I got to finishing all the rounds today, but it is impossible. Tomorrow we will have this. Okay. So good job, Samita. Everybody say bye to Samita. Pick up your things fast. That's what I like to do. What? Right, this one is four. I don't know.
You scored only 4.
Five scores were done only by Nitin and Mitra. Yeah, only those two numbers.
More and hitting.
No, that cannot be calculated. What I'm saying is on a serious, continuous basis, five throw. Only two members achieved that, Nitin and Mitra. You scored only 4. So 25 is correct. He said, no, take the ball. This round is over. Maybe tiebreaker, half of the team is left. நாளைக்கு வச்சுக்கலாம்.
That's only for tomorrow.
tomorrow. நீங்க வேணா அது வரைக்கும் practice பண்ணலாம். Kevin, நீங்க கிளம்புங்க. Anuraj and Sai Sonore, parents are. So about this one, anything?
Okay, okay. Right. So, what about 10 balls per year?
So we can practice.
Yeah, you can practice. Go balls actually. About in homework is very good.
Yes, sir.
Kada orange kada adlo.
Sir, note.
Notebook unga team or notebook gap.
Sir, egg team also.
You unga odna. Janish, who has your team's ledger? This short.
Sir, Mitra.
Mitra. Samika, this notebook is with Mitra.
Okay, okay.
Come in. You know, otherwise I calculate for me.
So, sir, let's pause the video.
Please.